TBS News, I'm Rosine Park. South Korean health authorities have reported more than 2,000 new coronavirus cases for a third straight day. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said 2,145 local cases of COVID-19, 31 imported infections, and 10 deaths were confirmed in the last 24 hours. Of the locally transmitted cases, 77% were from the densely populated Greater Seoul area. Officials continue to brace for upticks fueled by long holidays, including this weekend's Hangeul Day, increased movement across the country, and the rapidly spreading Delta variant. Tough social distancing measures remain in effect. Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum has said the government is looking to expand home treatment for COVID-19 patients as the country prepares to slowly return to normal life. In an interagency meeting today, Kim called on related authorities and local governments to work together to come up with a medical response system that will make home treatment possible. He also expressed the need for new quarantine measures as more people are getting vaccinated and serious COVID cases are dropping. The Prime Minister stressed that people must continue to take precautions and follow antivirus rules, especially this holiday weekend. Pregnant women can begin to make reservations for COVID-19 vaccinations from 8 p.m. this evening. The government has recommended expecting mothers to get the shots, citing the possibility of serious symptoms if they are diagnosed with the disease. Inoculations for this group will begin on October 18th. South Korea has decided to drastically raise the level of its greenhouse gas reduction goal from 26.3% to 40% by the year 2030. The revised aim in national greenhouse gas reduction was reached in a meeting of the Presidential Committee on Carbon Neutrality and related government ministries. The goal calls for the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions by 40% against the national output level in 2018. The move is part of the country's broader aim to slowly phase out conventional resources and go carbon neutral by the year 2050. The U.S. Senate has narrowly approved raising the country's debt ceiling for 2 months. All 50 Democrats backed the increase, 40 Republicans were against, and 2 did not vote. The ceiling, which limits the amount the U.S. government can borrow, was due to be reached in less than 2 weeks' time, prompting fears that the country would default on its national debt. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer accused Republicans of having put America's economy at risk.
Republicans played a dangerous and risky partisan game, and I am glad that their brinksmanship did not work. What is needed now is a long-term solution, so we don't go through this risky drama every few months. And we hope Republicans will join in enacting a long-term solution to the debt limit in December.
And Samsung Electronics has defied global supply chain challenges to forecasting a 30% jump in third-quarter operating profits. The world's biggest smartphone maker said in a regulatory filing that it expected its operating profits to reach around 15.8 trillion won. That's all the news for now. You're listening to TBS eFM.